winter.
Yeah, that was a big problem. Yeah. That was his idea.
Because he was allied with the Turab.
It was a Turabi and Turabi.
Yeah.
Wage the war based on religion.
ni Kicukiro mu Kagarama iriya ni izi nce za Gahanga hakurya ni ku Irebero bari bazi kuri Pineko barahazi Pineko hoteli nshyashya kariya kari kwaka konyine inyuma cyane iriya ni Pineko ubona Rwanda
If I don't pray, God will not ask me to come and pray. It's me that's looking for God. If you say that, no, it's Orlando, California also was on the way. Because of religion, they use other people.
Every country that it was ruled by the people who believe in God. I don't know why.
Rwanda n'ibigiye kugwa n'ibiri kugwa n'ibiri guhaguruka
People have been calling
umbaze
tourists, not tourists. That's only the take one religion. That must be something of religion of the law. But they don't want
They
us.
don't want it.
And the Sudan is one of the poorest countries who implemented our cutting the Sharia, cutting people.
Yes, I remember
No,
that.
not Arab.
I remember that in Nimeri.
Yeah, Nimeri,
cutting the people.
No Arab, we are really real blood, Arab blood. They didn't implement cutting people. And we
I remember,
black,
I remember.
black people, yes.
I remember.
Make ourselves Arab, cutting people.
I remember.
Yeah. That time in 86, that we were just coming from South. The size of the people cut here,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
still again.